What's up, my friends? Chad Bennett here, your Make Money Online coach. And today, I'm super excited because what I'm going to share with you is exactly how you can get started working from home, making up to $2,200 a month by simply transcribing audio files. I'm going to share with you my two favorite websites that are 100% legit. And the best part is, you guys, this can be worked worldwide. There are no special skills required. It pays via PayPal, and there is training. And if you stick with me till the very end of this video, I'm going to show you two simple hacks to greatly improve your efficiency so that you can make the most money possible. So let's go ahead, jump on into this, you guys. I know you're going to like this one. So check this out, you guys. If you are brand new to this channel, the first thing that you are going to want to do is make sure that you are subscribed. I come out with at least 2 to 3 very valuable videos a week where I'm teaching you how to make money online and start working from home. So the way that you can do this is I have a little box right over here in the corner that says click me. You can click that, get subscribed to my channel. I also have a link down below where the description is. It's a bright red subscribe box. Make sure that you click that. Make sure that you hit the bell notification. That is super important. That way you are notified immediately when I come out with new content. And also, you guys, if you find any valuable information in this video, please make sure that you smash that thumbs up. That is super important. It helps to grow my channel. It helps to get this information out to as many people as possible so that they can start putting money in their pockets as well. So let's get started, you guys. I don't want to waste any more of your time. So as promised, my friends, I'm going to share with you my top 2 most favorite transcriptionist websites that pay you via PayPal that you can work worldwide and work a flexible work schedule. You're going to like this, so let's go ahead, jump on over into this. The first one is called Transcribeme.com. You can get here by simply typing that into your web browser and pressing enter. I will also leave a link in the description of this video that you can click that will bring you directly over to this homepage that you're seeing right now. So once you arrive here, the first place that you're going to want to look is right up here in the corner, this bright orange box that says join as a transcriptionist. You're going to want to click this, and it's going to bring you over to their page where you can actually get signed up as a transcriptionist. Right here in the middle, they have a bright orange button that says join our team. If you click this, it's going to bring you over here, and it's going to ask for some personal information. You'll put your name and email address, and you want to make sure that you enter a legitimate PayPal account. If you don't have a PayPal account, make sure that you get one set up, because this is where they're going to be paying you the money that you earn. I also thought it was kind of interesting over here, some of the stuff that they mentioned, that there's no need to look for work. It comes to you. You can transcribe whenever and wherever you want, 24/7. So if you need a flexible work schedule where you work from home, this is great. And you can work as much or as little as you like. There's no minimum or mandatory amount of time that you have to be transcribing audio files. And it's also cool because you're transcribing short 2 to 4 minute clips. They're not super long interviews. So if you're trying to knock a few of these out real quick, you're not tied up for very long periods of time. So if we come back over to the page, there are a few other things that I want to point out on this page that I thought were pretty interesting, and I know that you're really going to like about Transcribeme. So the first thing that I want to point out that I really know that you're going to like is that they pay more than anyone, you guys. They have the industry's best rates, with earners starting out from $15 to $22 per audio hour. The top monthly earners are making anywhere from $2,200 a month, and the average monthly earners are making somewhere around the $250 range. So on average, you're going to make at least $250 a month, you guys. Obviously, these guys right here are a little bit more aggressive, but if you're just doing this on the side, trying to make some extra cash, working when you have some time, this is a great way to put away some extra cash, maybe buy some things that you need on the side. What I'm going to recommend is that you take this extra $250 and you invest it in yourself. At the very end of this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually create a life of freedom for yourself and get life-changing results working from home. This is a great way to invest in yourself by simply saving up this extra cash that you're making. I also want to bring you a little bit further down the page here. This was interesting to me. This company pays in US dollars, which is a huge motivation for people that work outside the US, obviously, because in a lot of places the US dollar is worth more. They have growth and learning opportunities. They believe in promotion from within, and their transcriptionists enjoy their work and have career advancement opportunities. So there are opportunities beyond this that you can grow within this company and start to earn more money. And if you come a little bit more down the page here, you guys, there is no experience or upfront investment required. There's no money out of pocket that you have to pay to get started doing this, and no experience that you have to actually get started. They will provide training. Another thing is here that I mentioned earlier is there's freedom and flexibility by doing this. You can work from the comfort of your own home whenever you want and how much you want. Transcribe short 1 to 2 minute clips, not long interviews, and when complete, their system sends another micro task for you to transcribe. So there's always work available for you to get started transcribing audio files. And there is no limit as to how many files you can transcribe or process at once. And make sure that you're paying attention and make sure that you stay with me, because at the end of this video, I'm going to show you a hack of how you can do this very quickly and efficiently to process as many files as possible in a very short period of time. So very quickly here, you guys, I wanted to move a little bit further down the page and share with you some other things that I think are super important and exciting for you. They talk about their program and their payment plan. They talk about the training program that they have and how they introduce you to their transcriptionist portal. And they also talk about how they pay regularly via PayPal. Again, and you can keep track of your earnings in real time, so you always know exactly how much you've accumulated, and you can request payment at any time. So you can cash out at any time and request your payment, you guys, and collect that money that you've earned. They also have a frequently asked questions button down here at the bottom in orange. You can click on this and they'll go more in depth with some questions that you may have and get those answered for you. So the second website that I want to discuss that I'm super excited about, you guys, is called Scribie. And you can get here by typing scribie.com directly into your web browser. And again, I will leave a link in the description of this video that will navigate you directly to this website. Once you arrive on this website, you guys, where you want to go to sign up as a transcriptionist is down here at the very bottom. You'll come all the way down to the bottom and you're gonna click on transcribers. So once you click that transcribe button, you guys, it's going to bring you directly to the page that you're seeing right now. This page is very important because this is where you apply to become a transcriber for Scribie. This bright blue button right here in the middle is where you'll click apply now. They'll ask for some personal information. They'll ask for your PayPal account so they know exactly where to pay you. You have to take a short online test. It's very easy to pass this test, you guys. And then I want to direct your attention to some of the information down here in the middle that I found very interesting. Is they pay $5 to $25 per audio hour, and they pay in United States dollars, you guys. So not as much as Transcribeme, but again, very good pay. And then they have short files, 10 minutes or less. And then one of the things that I thought was really cool is they have a monthly bonus of $5 for every 3 hours completed. So you're gonna get bonus money for every 3 hours of audio files that you complete transcribing. There's no obligations, no monthly commitments or withdrawal limits. So you don't have to hit a certain amount of money before you can withdraw the money that you've made. And they do not assign you files. You get to preview the files before you work on them. So you can pick and choose exactly what you want to work on, you guys. Some of the requirements is you want to make sure that you have good comprehension of English, ability to interpret conversations. You want to make sure that you have obviously a PC or laptop, and you want to have an internet connection. And then again, you want to make sure that you have a verified PayPal account so that they can pay you. And then it discusses the referral affiliate program. So if you're doing this and you really like this and you refer other people and they get started doing this as well, you can start making money for the work that other people are doing. That is very powerful, you guys. And then down here at the bottom, it talks about your potential earnings. So if you have any questions, you guys, they also go into other great detail. If you come over here to the frequently asked questions, similar to Transcribeme, where they will answer your questions further and break those down so that you can understand exactly what's going on here. Now, I promised you I was going to show you a hack that could dramatically increase your efficiency and your grammar skills, you guys. So this is what you're going to do. You're going to go over to Google and you're going to type in Google Docs and you're going to search that, and then you're going to come to this page right here. And when you arrive at this page, what you want to do is focus your attention right here where it says go to Google Docs. You're going to click on that. It's going to bring you here and you're going to click on blank. Now once you arrive here, it's going to open up this blank page. You're going to come up here to where it says tools and you're going to click on voice typing. And then you want to make sure that you have your microphone enabled. That is very important. Once you have verified that, you're going to click on this little microphone symbol. And what you're going to notice is once you click that microphone symbol, it starts typing out everything that you're saying. So if you're not a very good typer and you're worried about how am I going to be a transcriptionist, Chad, I'm not very good at typing. This is a way that is free, is 100% free, does not cost anything to do this. And you can see how fast I'm typing right now. So you can greatly improve your efficiency and make more money by doing this, you guys. Now, the second hack that I told you I was going to show you is how to improve your grammar. And you can do this 100% free as well. And the way that you get here is by typing grammarly.com into your web browser. You can also search this. Either way, however you want to get there. And I'll leave links to this stuff in the description, you guys. But once you arrive at this page, you want to make sure that you have Google Chrome as your web browser installed on your computer. And then this is basically a plugin for Google Chrome, you guys. And what you do is you click Add to Google Chrome, install this free plugin. And what this does is it corrects your grammar while you're speaking. So you can speak and correct your grammar at the same time. And when you combine these two things together, you guys, you can literally do this hands-free. You can be a transcriptionist virtually hands-free. So I think that's pretty neat, you guys, and it greatly improves your efficiency. If you see here, it stopped working, I guess, because I switched over. But you see how much I typed within that short period of time. I can't type that fast with my hands, but I can definitely speak that fast. So this definitely helps you make a ton of more money being a transcriptionist, and it is 100% free. So get started right now, become a transcriptionist, you guys, start making that extra cash. Like I said, I was going to tell you about an opportunity at the end of this video that is life-changing. If you're searching for a life of freedom where you really want to break free from your day job, if you want to work from home, if you want a business that is scalable, that is flexible, that you can take through the roof and get life-changing results and have a real life of freedom, what you guys want to do most specifically is you want to come beneath this video. I left a link right here that says my #1 recommendation to make a full-time income online. You're gonna wanna click this link right here where it says chadbennettlive.com. What I'm gonna ask for is your name and your email address. Make sure that you give me a legitimate email address, you guys. I'm gonna send you out a free video and show you how you can get started doing what I do and create life-changing results, you guys. I'm talking about a life of freedom where you break free, where you can actually do things that are important to you, where you can quit your day job and work from home. Super powerful stuff happening here, you guys. And again, if you found any valuable information in this video, make sure that you smash that thumbs up. That is super important. It helps to get my content out to as many people as possible and grow my channel. And please make sure that you are subscribed. Hit that red subscribe button, you guys. Make sure that you hit this bell notification right here. That way you are notified immediately when I come out with new content. Thanks again for watching me. I really appreciate spending time with you and teaching you how to make money online. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.